Ready? What is that? What is it?
I have to open it and write on it.
You have to open it and write on it. All right, hang on one sec, sweetie. Do you like it? I do. Well, the door doesn't open, sweetheart. We just sit. We just sit. Hang on now. I gotta put your seatbelt on.